This is another one. This is a really a good one I like to point out. So back, when I was trading the energy markets and running a trading group, this is one of the trades that we would really look for every year. This would potentially make the whole year. So this is why I like to point this one out. This is what we call kind of a crack spread. So this is also a pairs trade, but in the oil industry, we call this a crack spread. So this is when you're, the underlying the point, the crack spread is basically you're taking crude and then you're cracking the crude, creating, products, gasoline, fuel oil, distillate, diesel, jet fuel, things like that. So they call it a crack spread. So it's basically, though, it's a pairs trade. So here's just a good example of the potential these things have. This is on a futures pairs trade or crack spread, just to show you. So this would be going long RBOB, which is gasoline, and then short against it, the crude, which is the feedstock that you put in to make gasoline, right? So WTI. So look at this. So on the 8th of February, the RBOB was trading at $12.89 per barrel over WTI. So just a long story short, what you're going to do here is to make it apples and apples. When you're trading these crack spreads, this kind of spread, you have to adjust and convert RBOB into barrels of crude, which I've done here. So there's 42 gallons of RBOB gasoline in one barrel of crude. So that's the conversion there. So you can see 42 times RBOB. So anyway, that was at that point, that relationship was 1289. So RBOB was 1289 over crude. Now, in April, towards the end of April, this spread blew out to 2250 per barrel over WTI. So a huge increase. So it went from 1289 up to 2250. All right. So that's an increase of $9.71 per barrel. Now, when you're trading futures and oil futures, one futures contract is equivalent to 1,000 barrels. So if you were to buy one futures contract of oil or RBOB, you're basically actually controlling 1,000 barrels of physical crude. You could actually take delivery on it if you wanted. So just here's how then the math pans out. So in this example, so that spread went from here, 1289, down here to 2250. So that's an increase of 971 per barrel times 1,000. Okay, so one futures contract. So that's $9,710 if you did one futures contract of this crack spread. So these are huge trades. So just imagine that if you did this trade and you did that trade and you did 100 contracts, just if you did 100 contracts, you're up. This is why hedge funds can make such huge profits, or you could lose, but that would be over 971,000. If you did 1,000 contracts, you're looking at 9,710,000. So, these are the things that we were doing, and like I said, these can make your year. So, we would do 1,000 of these contracts or hundreds of these contracts, and if you got them right, man, it made your year. You're up 9 million, 10 million bucks really fast. So just to give you examples, so these are things that you can do with pairs trades, just to give you an idea of the other kind of areas that you can, trade. So here's just looking at it on just a regular chart, you can see here's the RBOB side here, really broke out hard to the upside. Here's the crude side. You can see it went sideways and then broke out, but it was lagging. All right, so that's a really good example of a pairs trade, or what we call a crack spread, RBOB versus crude. All right, so you could do this with distillate as well versus heating oil versus crude, things like that, or the other way around. You can certain times of the season you can short gasoline, be long crude.